Okay, guys, welcome to a very strange and interesting video. I've never owned or operated one of these coin sorter. I just wanted to try, and I just found this one, and it was too good to pass on without sharing with you guys. So, this is made by a Royal Sovereign, model DCB-175B. It says easy to operate, fast sorting, and light and portable. What could go wrong? Well, let's unpack it and see what we are talking about. It comes with a lot of those sleeves that I guess you put money on them or something. Okay, there's more of these. Whoa, did they make this for millionaires or something or for banks? I doubt a bank would ever use one of these, but I don't know. You never know. There's so many of these. Wow. Okay, let's take this part out. And there's nothing else in the box. Let's put the box down. Now, what we have here is a machine that looks like you put the coins in on the top here. These are the fill up bottles or something. I don't even know how this is supposed to work because I've never operated one of these. So I will try and see it here with you. And well, let's find out how do we power this one up. Looks like it's battery operated. Do we take these out? I think, yeah. Three, four types of coins. Okay, so quarters, nickels, pennies, and dimes. Okay, and the battery compartment is right here. It looks like it takes two. Looks like Type C. What do you call those? Yep, these are C cells, I think. Uh, I'm not sure if I have some of those. Let me check real quick. And by some miracle, looks like I have some C size batteries. Since the ones that were in, somehow somebody managed to put batteries in and they were dead. That makes it off. They put the new batteries in. I know these are brand new. Put the cover back on. How does this work now? Oh, I hear some noise. Let me put it. As you guys hear it, it works. Now I have no idea how the rest works. Do I put these or the bags first or looks like that's how we fill those bags. I'm gonna put the quarters. Now we gotta get the nickels. Okay, all is left now is to load it with coins and let's see if it really sorts them or just messes it all up. Well, there's one way to find out, and I have a whole box of stuff here. Let me put these sleeves back in this bag that it came with, which is very interesting how many came with it. Okay, and let's, I guess, let's fill it up, right? And let's turn it on. Oh, as you see, it's actually throwing the coins out how it's supposed to, I think. Now, let's see till it fills it up. It just stopped. It fully stopped. Very interesting. It filled up some of them, but definitely either got blocked or something. Yep. One of the coins got stuck right there, if as you can see it. So yeah, it's a cheapo machine. Let's take that one out and see if it works. Okay, started to spin again. Another one got caught now. Yep, right here. This part here, for some reason, is catching up. Okay, looks like the pennies is already done. So let's close that one up. Okay, we have a bag full of pennies. Okay, looks like we're at the end of it right now. Uh, Quarters are almost done too. Doesn't seem to be anything left inside. Let's load it with more money. And let's see how far it can go. You might have to shake sometimes, and sometimes it just doesn't pull itself out on some of them. So, and it got stuck again, looks like. Yep, the same exact spot right here. For some reason, this one gets blocked. This stop here, I don't know why. And let's restart it. And it's mixing now pennies and nickels together. Yep, I caught that one. It started mixing them here towards the end. And yes, it mixed in the other side as well. As you see, that's not a penny. Let me see. Yep. So in the whole thing, let me see how many are pennies and some how many are supposed to be nickels. Okay, one, two. Yeah, it's not accurate at all. Nope. So you're just losing money right here. If you were to go to a store and hand them this bag and think you have only 50 cents, well, take it easy. You have more than that here. You have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents just here, and probably another 20 here. So you have 70 cents inside instead of 50 cents. What would be my thought, my opinion on this machine? It's not worth it. It's not accurate and it doesn't work well. So unless you want to keep an eye like I'm doing here with the machine clogging every few minutes, as you see right now, there's a coin left there. And let me restart it again. Nope, not started now. What do we have here? I don't see anything really stuck in there visually, so it should work. Nope. Yeah, that's not good. That is not good. Okay, it started again. Yeah, it's this is not good for business. And as per, if you ask me what I think about it, I would say don't buy it. I cannot, in good conscience, tell someone that this works. Nope. Look, it's mixing coins again. It's not throwing them where it's supposed to. See, I see nickels and pennies being mixed together. Some of them it just spills them out. Some of them don't even fall inside. Nope, this is not good. So that's all I had for today. I hope you learned something about this machine, which is completely useless, and avoid it in your life. See you next time. Bye.